Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in my last video, I showed you how to shop the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. That was on July 10th that I was able to shop early as an influencer. That's just what they call you on the Nordstrom website. The card, the charge card, depending on how much you charge, they have different levels of when you can shop early. But I did shop on the 10th. I had showed you my wish list in that prior video. So I went on to my wish list. I picked all the things, mostly things that were on my wish list were still available. So I was happy about that. So I made my purchases. I went out about, I don't know, maybe about 5:15 a.m. on the 10th. I didn't stay up till midnight, which I have done in the past, but I did not do that this year. I just put things on my wish list, and then when I was able to shop, I went out and bought these things. So I have everything came in. I have 2 boxes that arrived, and it came in super quick. Today is July 15th, and I ordered everything on the 10th, so they came, one package came like real quick, and the other package just came this weekend. So I'm gonna get everything opened up, I'm gonna put everything on and show you, and so let's just get into it. So the first box I'm gonna open is the heaviest. This has everything in it. I think the other box is the shoes. So I've got some camis here. I think I got 2 camis. Yep, a white and a beige. I got some jeans, which I'm excited about. I hope they fit. I have, this is the candle set. This is like an orange, it's reed centers, oil diffuser reeds, and a candle. So I will take that out and smell that for you. Then I have, oh, this is a watch. I got a watch. And this is, I believe, some earrings. I will put those on for you. And this next box is shoes, as I said. So I will try those on, and we will see how everything looks. And I'm not gonna try the camis on. I'll just tell you how they feel and the quality as I take them out. I got larges. Oh, they're very nice. They have a silky feel to them, and they look like they're going to come up, you know, I like to wear things under maybe more deeper V-necks or more open shirts, and so, but I do like to have my camis come up, you know, I like it to look modest. So this looks like it's gonna do the trick. It's a nice bright white, and I also got the skin color, the nude, which is always good under some clothes. So yeah, I really like the quality of these. And these are still available. I just checked my wish list this morning. The Nordstrom Anniversary Sale goes through August 3rd. So you definitely have time to go out and take a look and see if there's anything else that you want. The straps are adjustable. Again, a nice heft to them. They're not flimsy. They have a nice silky feel to them. So if you're in need of replenishing your camis, which I am, I'm happy to get 2 new ones for, you know, the sale price. So that's excellent. So I'm happy with that. Let me open the earrings. I'm excited to see. These are hearts, and they're kind of dangly hearts. These are also still available when I checked my wish list this morning. Let's see. It has a nice little case if I want to keep them in this little case. to keep them nice and clean, dust free. That's a nice feature. Do it up really, really nice. They're all secure in there and a nice little felt. Oh, they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I love them. So let's get them on. I'm gonna put my glasses on for a second so I can make sure I open them up correctly. They have just a little flip here to open them up. They're smaller than I thought, but they are going to be perfect. They're not too like crazy loud or, oh, I like them. They're light on my ears, they're not heavy. So these I'm very happy with. I love this purchase. Very easy to put on. Oh, they are so cute. I love them. Very pretty. I'm very happy with these earrings. All right, let's check out the watch. I was in the mood for a leather watch. I have, you know, the gold tone, silver tone watches. I have some different colored watches. Actually, I just purchased a watch from Amazon that I'm going to show you in an Amazon haul coming up soon. That's like different and kind of whimsical. So I'll show you that in an upcoming video. But I wanted a leather watch, leather strap watch. And this looked like just what I was looking for. Very plain. It's got the big face, which I was always into way back in the day, and then I went to more slim looking, but I love a large faced watch. I just think they're classic and classy. I'll take the little plastic off the face and take off this little tag. Press in the button. It's got a second hand and it has a beautiful light brown leather band, which is going to go with just about everything. It can go casual, it can go dressy, business casual. Obviously, I'm someone who likes watches and I like to change things up a lot. The nice little things so that you can make it fit you. And there we have it. I'm very happy with it. I love it. I think it is gorgeous. I have a small wrist and this watch fits me perfectly. And this is still available as well from when I checked my wish list this morning. So go check it out. All right, I am going to put on the jeans. Let's see how these are gonna fit me. Now I bought size 32. I don't like my jeans to be too tight. I like to be comfortable. This is really pretty. The jeans unfortunately sold out right after I purchased them, so they're not available, but they do have a lot of jeans still available on the anniversary sale. They are Paige, Cindy, high-rise, straight ankle jeans. So let's get these on and see how they fit. All right, guys, they're on. They're very, very comfortable. They fall right to my ankle. I'm gonna try on the new shoes that I got with them. They fit me to a T. There's no gap in the back where it fits your waist. I am normally a size 12 in pants, so these are the 32s. But they fit so nice. They are very comfortable. I can tell that I'll be able to sit all day in these jeans, move around. They are awesome. I'm very happy with this purchase. Love the jeans. Love, love, love the jeans. So let's see what the shoes look like. Now these are a summer slide. These are also still available, so if you like them, get out there and get them while they're on sale. These are called Cork E's. Now they do have a little bit of a heel, but I don't think it's a crazy heel. They're leather, they're beautiful. These are gonna be great with a dress, a long skirt, a maxi dress, jeans. Oh, they are gorgeous. They have this leather, they're neutral color. The heel is nice and blocky so that you feel comfortable wearing them. They have a little bit of a square toe. Smell like leather. I love that. I'm a smell person. I love. All right, let me put these on and see how they feel. The jeans are a perfect length for a shoe like this. And they would look good with a cropped pant. So let's get them on. Okay guys, I love them. They do have a bit of a heel, but I absolutely adore these. Look at them. They are so, so cute and stylish and beautiful. Let me, wow, I absolutely adore these shoes. They're so comfortable. They are comfortable, guys. I am very, very, very happy. I am psyched with my purchases, guys. So again, those shoes are still available and I recommend them. I couldn't recommend them anymore. They're great. They're great for work. They don't feel like they need a breaking in period either. They feel comfortable right now. All right, the last thing that I got is this candle set. Voluspa Goji Tarocco Orange. It is a candle and a reed diffuser set. This is exclusive for Nordstrom. And so let's get this out of the package and give it a sniff. Oh, I can smell it already. Ooh, this smells so good. It's got a clean, almost berry orange scent to it. It's a pretty, it's a pretty candle in a pretty container. And then I have the reeds, the little black reeds. So you just take the little plastic off and then take the little cover off and stick your reeds in there. And then what you do is after you've had the reeds in for a good few hours, flip them and then you can leave it and you're gonna get a nice scent every time you walk into the room. I use these in closets so that when you open your closet, it smells wonderful. And it's small spaces that really give you the scent of the reed diffuser. If you have it in a big room, you're really not gonna smell it much. But I am thrilled with my purchases. I'm thrilled with my jeans, my watch, my earrings, my shoes, my camis, and my candles and diffuser set. So guys, the diffuser set is still available as well. I don't know if I said that yet already, but that is still available. There's quite a bit still available on the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. Even if you buy that one thing that you wouldn't normally buy yourself, now's the time to do it. So guys, thanks for showing up and watching my video today. I am planning to show you a recent Amazon haul video. I'm waiting for I got one thing that came in. That's the watch. I haven't opened it yet. And I have a few other things coming in that I'm gonna share with you. So come on back and check out what I'm up to. I'm just a girl living her best life, trying to share things with you so that you can live your best life too. So let me know in the comments if you shopped at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale this year and what was your favorite thing. Did you choose anything that I picked, or did you find some other really great finds? So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and being a bestie with me. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.